And some of us learn through.
S for science, yeah.
Science is everything, including space.
Including space.
T for technology,
T
like
for
devices, from a pencil sharpener to artificial intelligence.
artificial intelligence, even media communications, right? E for engineering, from stoplights to bridges to amusement parks. And mathematics easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's go!
Rocket making.
Okay, I'm going to go with the pink.
Mr.
You
Rise,
guys
are you
probably
gonna
knew I
go
was
with
gonna do-
pink?
Yeah, that's
my
correct.
favorite color.
Yes, pink.
That's what's up.
And
Cool.
you already, so I made lots of lines. You could tell I use this tape quite a bit. So there's all kinds of ways that we learn from what we see, what we hear, and what we touch. And so it's an advantage. And say you love to create and you have that artistic part about you, where you love art and you love to draw and you love creating things by using your hands or building. Well, we as educators know that we can teach you things by applying all those different ways to learn. This is going to be tricky with this paper, so I'm going to make my rocket a little jazzy. Huh, Jazzy?
That's what's up.
Yeah, a little jazzy.
Cool.
That's fire, Mr. Rise, and of course.
So make this good and firm. Okay. All right, so put this over here. Just cut this part. So I'm gonna do this first. Tear this piece off. It's like a diploma now. All you assistants out there getting your degree. There we go. Just make it go straight across. Just something cool. And then for here, I can just peel that back a little bit again. So you don't want too much air to escape. That's our first sentence, right? Feeling pressure. And speaking of pressure, this has to be tight enough to fit through this straw.